How to delete RedNote account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can delete RedNote account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the RedNote application in your mobile device and make sure to log in into your account. Now again, in order to delete your account, navigate to top left corner. From this home page, there is a hamburger icon. Tap on it. A menu bar will appear. There again, at the bottom left corner is a settings icon. Tap on it. Once you get into settings page, now tap on account security at the top. Under account security, scroll down, or at the very end there is an option available that is account cancellation. Tap on it. Now you will land on this kind of interface, which is in different language other than English. If you want to translate it, you can simply take a screenshot of this and with the help of Google Translator, you can translate this. But here, all you have to do is tap on this terms and agreement, then tap on this button right here. So here you have to provide the reason. So these are all the reasons that's why you are deleting your account. So here you can screenshot again and then translate with the help of Google Translator and then select your preferred reason. Then tap on this button here at the end of this interface. Here you have to confirm, and with that your account is now deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.